How to make tumblers with Cricut. Step 1. Open your Design Space app, click on Text, and enter a phrase or word. Step 2. Select the text and click on Font to apply your desired font. Step 3. Ungroup the text. Step 4. Add spacing in the design. Step 5. Select the text and click on Weld. Step 6. Size out the design. Step 7. Click on Make It, then press the Continue button. Step 8. Select the base material. Step 9. Place your material over the cutting mat. Step 10. Load the cutting mat and material for a cut. Step 11. Weed out the sheet. Step 12. Apply a transfer tape over the design. Step 13. Clean your cup. Step 14. Remove the design and transfer tape from the backing sheet. Step 15. Place the design over the cup, then scrape it with a scraper tool. Step 16. Gently remove the transfer tape. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.